Hi there, we're Alyssa, AJ and Ben, and we've built an AI physiotherapist for the visually impaired, and it's powered by Vhysio. So there's 285 million people living with visual impairments, and the process of getting back to full health after an injury or disease by using exercise, also known as physical or physiotherapy, is quite a difficult and awkward process. We know this from one of the 285 million, Scott here. Scott's really helped us up to this point, and he knows that physiotherapy is difficult at the best of times. As a physiotherapist himself, he often found that patients came back in the next session to show him stretches which didn't resemble the ones that he gave them at all. Also, after he lost his vision after a stroke, he wasn't able to ensure that he was achieving the stretches that he wanted, and hence get the gains, which you say really happen outside of your physiotherapy sessions. And this can't really be solved by having more time with physiotherapists, as we already know that their sessions are brought down to 30 minutes at a time as it is. So I'll pass over to AJ, who will discuss our solution.
Right, so we realised we could enable confident physiotherapy for the visually impaired if they had an AI to guide them through their independent physio stretches. This is when we realised that Microsoft Azure's cognitive services would be amazing. We created a voice interactive machine learning web app called Vhysio, which just requires a device with a webcam that can be propped up anywhere with an internet connection. Information from your webcam is analysed before being fed back to the user via Azure's text-to-speech API, telling you if you're doing your stretches correctly, and if not, how to better your position. Such as here, where Alyssa is doing a back bend stretch, being told she is almost there, she just needs to straighten up her legs a little. It's these small differences that make the biggest impact to physiotherapy. Now you know about the solution, I'll hand you over to Alyssa, who will talk about the future of Vhysio.
So we see Vhysio as being an essential aid in enabling independent physiotherapy for those who are visually impaired. Here we have a timeline of how we expect to roll out our product over the next year.
1 minute.
Post Imagine Cup, we want to try with more users such as Scott, as well as those who aren't necessarily visually impaired, in order to broaden our appeal to a wider audience. We want to partner with companies such as Track Active, an exercise subscription service here in the UK. And we want to integrate into the National Health Service here in the UK's physiotherapy, in order to ensure that our app is accessible by as many people as possible. We're extremely motivated to carry this out. We're extremely motivated to carry this out because we know this is a real world problem. Hearing words such as these from Scott.
Yeah, nice. So something like this would be really good because it helps give that common feedback, but doesn't involve people having to, a person having to be there.
Brilliant. Yeah.
It's going to be a very good and useful, useful tool.
10 seconds.
Encouragement such as this, Azure Technology and our team, all together we can achieve the aim of independent, more confident recoveries. Thank you.
Thank you.